I found this trending product on Amazon. I told Claude to run the ads, and this is what it generated for me. I really like the output quality. If you'd like to do the same, go to Amazon, find a product that is trending in your niche, download all the images, dump them into Claude. Write this one prompt and remember to mention that to use a Higgsfield MCP because this allows Claude to generate images and convert them into videos. For me, Claude generated 4 different images and then made them into ad-worthy videos. I post them on TikTok as an affiliate and every sale gives me a commission. I'm going to show you exactly how I built this whole workflow, so stay tuned until the very end. This is Higgsfield, the brain behind all my viral reels. I love it the most because it's the only place that was built for creators like me. It has access to the best image generation models as well as the best video generation models. They have a lot of tools that you can use to experiment with different virality hooks and also experiment with kind of different presets and templates that they already have. It has access to the latest image generation model. In this case, it's GPT Image 2 and also has access to Seedance 2.0. So this is the platform where we can use to generate any image ad and then convert it into a viral video all in the same place. To do so, we're just going to go ahead and go to the MCP tab. MCP is a place where we can connect our Higgsfield account to our Claude account. This way we can tell Claude to think of the ad formats, which kind of ad has good virality hooks and virality factors into it, and then we can tell Claude to generate the images and then the videos directly using Higgsfield. So this is why I love the platform so much because it integrates with all your favorite tools like Cursor, OpenClaw, Hermes, every other thing. So to set it up, we're going to open Claude, go to settings, connectors, and add this custom connector URL. We're just going to copy this, bring it to our Claude account. Go to customize, connectors, add a new connector and make it custom connector. Call it Higgsfield, paste the URL, add, connect, allow, open, and we are connected. Now we have access to a lot of different tools, whether we can make scorecards, to batch analysis, all the way to analyze contents and generate them. We're going to start our first project. Okay, now that we have everything connected to Claude, we're going to find our product. Here I found a nice dog sofa. Product looks cute, the images are cute, the description is complete. So what we're going to do is we're going to download all these images one by one. Once you've downloaded all of them, copy the product title, pricing, sizes, variations, description, copy this, and now let's bring it back to Claude. But before pasting, we're going to enter this master command. We're going to paste the command. We're going to tell Claude, create an ad library of a dog sofa. We have uploaded some images and save them to this chat. Save them in the working directory so we can use them as reference for the ads. Below is the product description. Then we're going to generate 4 images and animate them into 4 videos using the Higgsfield MCP, GPT Image 2 for image generation, and Seedance 2.0 for video generation. All the images and videos should be in the 9:16 vertical format. Now we can go ahead and paste the product description. Then I'm going to upload all the images. Make sure that the Higgsfield connector is enabled. Press go. Okay, we see that the Claude is able to connect to Higgsfield. It's checking our balance, making sure that we have enough money for this. Okay, it found the right models. I have a little bit of balance. Hope that's enough. We see that the prompt is okay. Allow for the first task. We see that it got the aspect ratio correct because we're going to be uploading this to our social media later on. You see there are multiple job display of the same thing. Don't worry, it's not using extra credits, but Claude communicates with Higgsfield using a pooling mechanism. That means it constantly checks with Higgsfield whether the image has finished generating or not. It's not generating multiple images, and we can see from the code here on the same ID. Just gonna wait until everything is finished. Okay, we see that our first image has been generated. It's a real support, real relief. It looks pretty cute, of the old dog sitting. And now our Claude model is asking us to generate a video. Of course, let's allow. Okay, we have another image is finished generating. This dog looks super relaxed, ready to sleep. I like how they have the Bedsure Cozy logo, and it's perfect for our affiliate videos. The dog looks like it's having such a nice sleep. Another one of the dog owner packing it up, and the dog happily waiting for a washed bed. And another one for a sleep well in the forest. Perfect. Okay, we see that all 4 videos are complete. Let's have a look. Okay, I like the pretty cute golden retriever. I like the breathing mechanism on the stomach. Let's see the second one. Okay, I like how they just inserted a person randomly, but I feel like a few things are out of place. For example, here when they open the zip, it's black. And then when they pull out, it's both black and white. So I guess this part is a little bit confusing. And the mechanism kind of does not make sense. But okay. I like how they introduced a new model there. And I think that the overlap here does not make sense. But apart from that, the video looks pretty cute. I wouldn't use this for the ad, but just to know what kind of ads we can and we cannot work with. Next video. Looks super cute. I like how the person is just slowly walking away from the dog. I think it's pretty cinematic. And I think we skipped one. This one is actually very surreal because it shows an old dog, white whiskers, white eyelashes, and over here it's highlighting the support max. For anyone who wants to support the old dog, I think this has real sentimental value. So we have 4 different variations of ads that we can use for our Bedsure affiliate social media, and we're going to go ahead and post them and see what the results look like. So that's a full ad library generated from just Amazon product photos. If you want to build this for yourself, Higgsfield now connects to Claude in just 30 seconds. I've put the link in the description below. It's my personal link, so whoever clicks it gets a special discount code. And if you want to see my personal collection of affiliate Amazon products that are just perfect for AI UGC content creation, click the link in the description because that's free to view as well. Subscribe if you like contents like this because I post these every week.